I vividly remember that moment. We got the approval.
Wow, we succeeded against the possibility of 1 in 10,000, didn't we?
Achieving success in developing our own drugs over 2 consecutive years has become a source of pride for us.
Some might call it a miracle, but we know it was inevitable.
Becoming a master has always been my dream.
Through the career development program, I've been able to grow into a special master.
Working in a collaboration with masters who led the commercialization of our new drugs, I'm expecting that I, too, can become the protagonist who creates the first.
I believe Daewoong Pharmaceutical's company culture, which prioritizes growth of employees more than any values, is creating our absolute lead.
Developing a novel drugs is a process that takes at least 10 years and even an investment on over $1 trillion. There is still chance of a failure, but Daewoong Pharmaceutical succeeded in developing 2 novel drugs, 2 years in a row, which is incredibly difficult. I started wondering what makes this possible. I'm a medical doctor currently working in a global clinical task force team where I design, execute, and manage clinical trials. With a strong sense of a purpose, I'm growing every day, knowing that I'm contributing to the development of novel drugs and treatment for the patients worldwide. Daewoong Pharmaceutical goes above and beyond to support the learning and development of its employees, making it is the best company for the proactive and driven talent to grow. The masters always encourage us to embrace the failure without the regrets. Experiencing failure is a valuable asset for future success as we take on new challenges.
At Daewoong Pharmaceutical, we have a shared sense of purpose that transcends national borders. We value diversity and innovation and have a collaborative culture that welcomes talent because we focus solely on enhancing capabilities, irrespective of age, tenure, nationality, or gender. I am growing rapidly as a global business professional, just as the novel drug Fexuprazan is quickly gaining ground on the global stage. Collaborating with international business partners with a new drug means to understand new mechanisms and to find a new value for the perspective of the market and global. This can be achieved through rigorous learning and communication. Thanks to Daewoong Pharmaceutical's corporate culture, which places great emphasis on employee growth to highlight the value for learning and communication, I am enhancing my competitiveness every day as a global marketer for new drugs.
I'm responsible in managing the expansion of Namota, the first botulinum toxin in Asia to receive FDA approval, into the CIS region and across Indonesia. My initiatives are designed to not only uphold Daewoong's status as a pioneer, but also to propel it to become the biggest and also the best on the global stage. While I understand that developing novel drug is challenging, I believe successfully commercializing it is equally complex. At Daewoong Pharmaceutical, we embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Through a culture of open communication and collaboration, Daewoong Pharmaceutical provides an environment where learning and excelling are encouraged without the fear of failure.
The core strengths of Daewoong Pharmaceutical's global expansion are our world-class production capabilities and regulatory advancements. When identifying partners and obtaining approvals in various countries for our novel drugs, it's crucial to ensure compliance with regulatory standards in every possible scenario. Securing approval is the first step toward global success for novel drugs. Communicating with regulatory authorities to ensure they understand our novel drugs while aligning processes with local practices requires continuous learning and communication. The culture at Daewoong Pharmaceutical encourages learning and communication among employees. And the smart office system that actively supports collaboration with foreign organizations has greatly helped me grow as a global regulatory expert. I'm so excited and eager about the challenges ahead of Daewoong Pharmaceutical. Daewoong Pharmaceutical,
A global top-tier healthcare company,
never stops challenging and innovating
For health and happiness of humanity.